I have Dr. Zeman and Dr. McDonald. I'm not aware of any other expert that will go see people at the jail. And so Zeman's already done an evaluation. I'm going to have to appoint Dr. McDonald most likely. So.
And Your Honor, I'll get that order over to you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, I guess we need to set another status. Let's do that. Ordinarily, I would set pretrial, which is in December. Do we need to set a date, like a competency status date in November?
I doubt that would happen.
Okay, why don't I do this? Let me set the December date, which is December the 10th. If that report comes in prior to November 18th, call either the clerk's office or my office. Let's get him on the docket for November 18th, or I have a few other days in November. So if the report comes in early and we can bring Mr. Hutchinson back before December 10th, please alert the clerk's office and or my office, and we will do everything we can to get him in early, okay?
That sounds great.
All right, December 10th at 9 o'clock on both cases.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Weinstock? Good morning.
I'm here on behalf of Chandra Beard on case number 24CF923, 24CF1102. My client is currently housed in Walton County in their residential substance abuse program. She's not here today. I'm advised by the prosecutor that any motion I would make for bail or anything like that, which I did once before, will be refused by the state. They're waiting for one other trial. So one thing I could suggest is we can move this maybe to the December date.
Okay. I think we've had a couple of motions for bond, haven't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, December 10th at 9 o'clock, pretrial. And I have a note, well, how are we coming along with the case?
And we can approach.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Of Crestview's Coney Island's burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
All right, so
CQ
Ms.
Roofing,
Beard will
your
be
hometown
continued to
roofer,
December 10th
1999.
at 9 o'clock, pretrial conference on both of her cases, 24CF923 and 24CF1102.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
That's all
you.
I have.
Thank you. Mr. Lupella.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sean Lupella, for the record, I have Oscar Eduardo Caballero Martinez on 25 CF 1198. He's an inmate and he's on his way.
All right.
And Do you have an interpreter for this one?
We do.
Yes. Thank you.
And let me swear in Ms. Cardenas. Did you reserve an interpreter?
I don't think I did.
Okay, need to make arrangements ahead of
Okay.
time, or else she won't know to be here on that case.
Okay.
She's here for a different case,
Yeah,
so.
this is going to be
Okay.
a continuance. so.
All right, well, in the future, when you need an interpreter, reach out and make arrangements, okay?
Very well.
All right, let me swear in our interpreter, please. Ms. Cardenas, do you swear or affirm that you will accurately interpret the proceedings in English and Spanish today?
I do.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, the defendant is present. We're here on case 25 CF 1198. And where are we?
Thank you. The defense is going to be requesting a continuance. We've been working with the state in terms of discovery, and I think we're proceeding on the right track. We're going to go ahead and set depositions in the case. One of the delays is because one of the state's star witnesses has a pending case, and it's related to this case, so it might be a little difficult to get her to testify at a deposition. So we're going to set the depositions, and we'll hold those depositions so long as we're able to depose all the state's witnesses concurrently.
Have you and the state coordinated when?
We're going to be talking, we talked yesterday, and I had a meeting with the state, and we're going to coordinate those depositions.
All right. So you haven't set them yet?
No, we haven't, but we will be setting them. The co-defendant's court date, I think, is November 4. We anticipate if we have depositions sometime mid-November, we should be in a position, hopefully, to be able to complete them.
Who is the co-defendant?
Well, it's not a co-defendant, it's a
Oh,
witness / victim. I had misspoken, I said co-defendant.
okay,
But that's, I think her name's Haley Gooding,
okay.
so.
All right, so are you requesting a continuance?
I am.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we will reschedule and continue the case to December 10th, continued at the defense's request, and that'll be at 9 o'clock. Go ahead and set the depots. Go ahead and set the depots.
I am Judge.
Okay, because I have a note from September 16th, need to set depots, but they're not
Right.
set yet. so
Well,
it's been
and
a
like I
month.
said, I'm not gonna set depositions in a case where I'm gonna have, I need to get statements from witnesses so that they're not coordinating their testimony after the fact. So we need to have those depositions all done the same day,
Okay,
at the same time, so that we get the truth. I don't want to be in a position where the witnesses are going back and saying, you know, this is what he asked you at this deposition, when I have to reschedule that other witness later, and then it's all a mess. I think it'd be doing my client a disservice by piecemealing depositions in that way. But I think this is the appropriate thing to do, is setting these now, and I believe in good faith that we will accomplish them as soon as possible.
okay. Our next court date is going to be 6 months after his arrest.
Understood. This is a very serious case, Judge. And pending the outcome of it, he's looking at deportation, so he has a lot to lose, and so the stakes are very high.
Understood.
But we haven't done anything, well, there's nothing dilatory on our end. We've done everything in the proper form in terms of his defense. And like I said, I had a long meeting with the state yesterday, and we
Okay.
spoke about it, and we have an understanding of what the direction of the case, and I think we're all proceeding in the right direction. A
Okay.
big part of the delay, Your Honor, I'll also say, was getting that warrant application from Investigator Bowen, which took an indeterminate amount of time. Remember, I filed some motion to compel, and that took longer,
Okay,
and that delayed deposition, being able to set depositions as well.
okay.
So that's all I have.
Well,
Thank
hopefully,
you.
when I see you in December on this case, there will be lots and lots of
It won't be for a lack of effort, Your Honor. I can assure you that. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, December 10th at 9 for Mr. Caballero Martinez.
Thank you.
And I see Mr. Little is here. Mr. Little, are you here just on one or two cases?
Two cases, Judge.
Okay, are they on the private attorney docket or a different docket?
I believe they both have, one has a private attorney and one has, I believe, a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, which attorneys? Or-
It's a good question.
Just tell me which
One
case.
has Mr. Patel and Tim Shaw,
Okay,
and that's Jared Stevens, and the other is Dylan DeShane and Marty Knox.
Nopes.
Nopes.
And I don't know if is Mr. Nopes here? I don't see him yet. Okay, well, Mr. Nopes isn't here yet, so I'm not able to, you're still going to be with us, even if I take Mr. Shaw's case out of order, so.
Court
Once
starts
Mr.
at 9, Judge.
Okay, once Mr. Nopes shows up, then I'll take both of your cases. All right, Mr. Cobb is next on the list. Sure. All
First
right.
case I have are the Maju cases.
Okay, those are 24 CF 924, 24 CF 1101, 24 CF 1389, and 24 CF 1677.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She'll be out momentarily. Also, Mr. Cobb, there's another defendant on the docket today that you were appointed on, and I don't think you've filed your notice of appearance yet, but we will be bringing her out as well. After
Her name really quick?
her name is, last name Cutter, C-U-T-T.
Oh, yeah, Winter.
Yes.
So
So,
I was appointed originally when she capious back in April. And then when she got picked up, it went through the process again, and I got reappointed.
so she'll be brought out
Yeah.
when we finish your cases, your other ones. Okay.
And we're going to resolve that case with the plea. I have a plea ready for her.
Oh, good. Thank you. So Ms. Majou will be out momentarily. All right, the defendant is present.
Yes, ma'am. This is Annie Maju, and the case is already referenced by the court. Judge, I filed a motion to continue her cases. Mr. Gomez and I, we had depositions 2 weeks ago, and I'm in the process of getting those depositions transcribed. During the course of the depositions, there were at least 5 FDLE witnesses that weren't available at the time and/or had moved on. And Mr. Gomez and I also talked about getting FDLE to run another test of some methamphetamine that was found in the house of the victim in the manslaughter case. So I am asking for a continuance. I want the court to know I am working the cases. We're trying to get these resolved. We just started some preliminary plea negotiations, but it's still too early to say if we're going to be able to bring it in for a landing or if we're going to have to try the cases. So I'm asking for December pretrial.
Okay. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. I didn't see your motion to continue in time to get the cases continued.
Well, that's because I didn't file it in time. So I apologize.
No, I saw it yesterday, so it was too late by then. All right, we will schedule all 4 cases for December 10th at 9 o'clock for pretrial. And does the state know where those 5 witnesses are?
Yes, ma'am. They had moved to a different law enforcement agency. Mr. Gomez gave me the addresses, and one of the witnesses wasn't going to be available until the end of the year, close to the December marks. We're still trying to manage it and work it out.
Okay, so when I see you in December, hopefully the depositions will already be set and taken?
Yes,
Or at
ma'am.
least set?
They'll be taken. There's only one witness that may not be available until January, but we're going to work out where I can talk to her on the phone, so we don't necessarily need a deposition.
Okay,
Okay?
all right, thank you.
That date was December what again?
December 10th
Okay.
at 9 o'clock for pretrial on all 4 cases.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay. Would you like me to have Ms. Cutter brought out next?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
fine.
All right, so Ms. Cutter's case numbers are 25 CF 190 and 25 CF 222. Let me get to a different docket.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to get her to sign this written plea, and then I can announce the plea.
Just 1 second. Ms. Cutter is number 50 on the most recent docket. They're under Ms. Farkas's name, but actually Mr. Cobb has been appointed. So I'm just trying to make a record so we can all locate the cases on the docket. All right, Ms. Cutter is present.
Judge, this is State versus Winter Cutter and 25 CF 222 and 25 CF 190. She's going to be entering a plea as charged to the following conditions. Concurrently in all cases and counts, the defendant, Ms. Cutter, will be adjudicated guilty and sentenced to credit for time served, standard court costs. And that's the plea that's been signed by the state, the defense, and the defendant.
Okay.
Can I approach?
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, here's a score sheet, Judge.
Oh, yes, thank you.